today's class we are going to see revision. In last class we have learned about, what is the topic we have learned? How we communicate. How we communicate. What is communication? What is communication? Yeah, conveying our ideas and thoughts to someone is called communication. Two types of communication we have learned. What are they? One-to-one communication and one-to-many communication. One-to-one communication means we will convey our thoughts and ideas to only one person. What are the types or what are the methods used in one-to-one communication? Letter, email and telephone. Then one-to-many communication. One-to-many communication means we will share our thoughts or ideas to group of people. I am and you all. If I share my ideas to group of people, that is more than one people, it is called one-to-many communication. The methods used in one-to-many communication are newspaper, television, radio. Have you all clear about this? So, in unit 2, that is my surroundings, we have learned about people in neighborhood, my school. Then, what is the third topic? My school. Next one. What is the third one? About our festivals. Fourth one, modes of travel. Then the fifth one, modes of communication. In today's class, we can revise the first two headings. That is people in our neighborhood and my school. People in our neighborhood or places in our neighborhood. In that, what and all we have learned? First one is park. What is park? Place where there is many trees and plants or planted. It is called park. Children's parks are also available. In that we see many games like swings, etc. Then next one is market. In market, what we see? Market is a collection of many shops, right? Who is a shopkeeper? Who is a shopkeeper? The person who manages these shops are called shopkeepers. What are the shops seen in the market? Chemist shop. What is chemist shop? The shop which sells medicines is called chemist shop. The next, greengrocer. Greengrocer sells vegetables, fruits, etc. Then the next one is milk booth. Milk booth sells milk and milk products. So you are clear about it? Then the next one is my school. Many of our home has schools nearby. What does the school do? Teachers will be there in the school and they will teach us lessons. Next one is post office. Post office is used for sending and receiving letters. We will write the letter and post in the post box, or we will receive the letters through postman. Postman will collect the letters from post office and give it to us. Can you remember? Then the next one is hospital. Hospital, when we are ill, we will take medicine, or we will consult doctor and we will take medicine. If the disease is not cured, we will get admitted in the hospital. There who will take care of us? Nurse will take care of us. Can you remember this? Then the last one is, one more, it is police station. For what we use police station? When some crimes occurs, to file a complaint against the crime, we approach the police station. So, are you clear about people in neighborhood? Now come to the people who help for us from our neighborhood. Butcher, who sells meat. Cobbler, who works with the shoes. Plumber, one who works with the water facilities. That is when we have some damages in our pipes, taps, etc. We approach plumber. Carpenter furnitures. Mason is employed in building, that is construction of a house. Then firefighter, when we meet with some fire accident, we will call firefighter, they will come with fire engine and off the fire. So did you understand about this people in neighborhood? This is my school. We are very familiar with this one, my school, right? What are the things we have learned in this topic, my school? This one is classroom. What happens in classroom? Teacher will teach the lesson. We will learn many things from our teacher and we write the notes, etc. we do in the classroom. Next one is principal's office. Who is the principal? Head of the school is called principal. Principal, what is his duty? He will monitor all the activities and working happening in the school. Third one is library. Library is used for borrowing books. We are learning about one concept. If you are not clear about it, more books related to that topic can be borrowed from library for our reference. We have to maintain silence in the library. We are not supposed to make noise in the library. And librarian, a person who look after the library works are called librarian. Next one is garden and playground. Garden, what is garden? Garden has trees and colorful flowers. Then playground, place which we use for playing during our play hours. We have a period for games. During that hour, we will go to playground and play. In some playgrounds, we have swings also. Did you understand about this? Next one is person who help us in the school. Peon. Peon, what he will do? He will ring the bell and he will take care of all the needs that we need. Gardener will take care of the garden. Sweeper helps to keep the school clean. Gatekeepers, what they will do? They are a protection for us. They protect us from everything. Driver will drive the school vehicle and he will take us safe from home to school and school to home. Do you understand about my school? Now, today we are going to do an activity. I am going to teach you how we should do a boat. You all should do this and enjoy this, okay? First, you have to take a rectangle paper. Rectangle means this both sides should be equal and this both sides should be equal. Then that rectangle paper you have to fold like this. After folding, this open face should face us. You have to keep like this. You have to find the center. Then you have to fold this two sides like this. So, after folding, you get some places like this, empty places, right? That what you should do means, one you have to keep like this, and after doing like this extra places have to fold inside. Then one more half is here. No, you have to fold this in the opposite side. Opposite side, and this also you have to fold like this. After doing this, you have to open it. Now you have opened this. There will be an open page. This will be closed and this will be open. This open page had to fold one to this side and one to the opposite side. After doing this, again you should open it. Now, just pull this two sides so that you can get a nice boat. Yeah, boat is ready. Did you understand how to make the boat? So, are you clear how to make this boat? Once again, I will do. Listen carefully. Have to take a rectangular sheet of paper and fold this paper like this, and you have to find the center of this, and in the center you have to fold like this. So some paper will be remaining here. That paper you have to fold it one to one side, and the corners we have to give it back, and the other to the other side. And here also the corners you have to bend like this. After doing this, you have to open this. Should open like this. After opening, you will have one end closed and other side open. This open side you have to fold one to this side and other to the other side. After doing this, again you have to open, and you will have to open once so that you can get beautiful boat. Are you all enjoy doing the boat? You must try this in your home, okay? Yeah, very good. So, in today's class, we have learned about people in neighborhood. What are the things in neighborhood? School, market, post office, police station, hospital, etc. And about my school. What are the things in my school? Classroom, principal office, garden, playground, library, etc. And the people who help in school are PU, gardener, sweeper, gatekeeper and driver. And we have studied to do this beautiful boat. So, are you enjoyed this class? I hope you all enjoyed this class. What you will do in the next class? In the next class, we will be having a test. You will be having a test in Google Form from these people in neighborhood and my school. You have to go through your book, your student's book you have. You have to learn these two topics from our book, and we will be having a test in Google Form, okay? So, I hope you all enjoyed today's class. We can meet in the next class. Thank you.